Welcome! In front of me is a Oppo Find X2 Lite, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks you can do on this phone. So we're going to begin by opening up our settings, and in here we can navigate to the display and brightness. And I'm going to start over with the simple dark mode and light mode. So you have the choice right over here, but below that we also have the auto switch. So when you click on it and enable it, it gives you the option to let the device switch between these two modes, based either on sunset to sunrise or on a custom timer. So this will then allow the device to swap, for instance during the daytime to light mode, and then during nighttime it will automatically switch back to dark mode. So you don't get flashbanged by your own device, and during the daytime it will be easier for you to see the display during like sunny day. Moving on to the next option is going to be the personalized section right here in the main settings, and this gives us a little bit of a control over just customizing our device. Things like icons, quick settings, so these little toggles right here, how they look like. We have also always on display settings, wallpapers, no one cares. Colors, which I just missed. There we go, colors, which allows you to change the entire color scheme of different toggles and buttons in your phone. Now, interestingly enough, we do also have the wallpaper color picking, so depending on your wallpaper that you have right here, the device will then create a color palette for that wallpaper, right? For instance, like right here, and then give you things, color schemes that are based on your current wallpaper. And obviously you can change the wallpaper, and this will provide you with different colors than what we're seeing right now. Now I will go to default just because it's a little bit more colorful. Now, moving on to the next option, it's going to be the home screen and lock screen section, and here we have a couple of things. So I'm going to start off with the swipe down on home screen. By default, it's set to be global search. I personally don't care for it. I almost exclusively use Smart Launcher, which already comes with built-in search, so this is completely useless for me. But we do have the option to select it to the notification drawer. And now, when you swipe down on your home screen, it pulls down your notifications, which is amazing. And going back in here, we also have the home screen mode, which allows you to swap between the drawer mode, which is the typical Android experience, and the standard mode, which is something that I could compare to like iPhones, with all the applications smack in the middle of your home screen. And last thing that I'm going to show you is the navigations, so system navigation, which is this text right here at the bottom, which will redirect us to this section right here. And we have gesture, which I've been using for this entire video, or buttons. We additionally have a couple additional options for gestures itself, like hide gesture guide bar, which is this thing right down here. So when enabled, it just kind of gets rid of it, makes it transparent, and just makes the device look a little bit cleaner. So there we go. Now this would conclude all the tweaks and tricks that I wanted to show you, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.